Tim, great to see you. How you doing?
I do good, Liam.
Excellent.
Good to chat to you.
Yeah, likewise. So we're talking about leadership and management training for care providers. So the first thing I wanted to ask you was, what do social care providers do today to provide that type of training to their staff?
It's a good question. The majority of them will do the conventional NVQ/QCF route.
Yeah.
Plus, I don't really like this term, mandatory training.
Got you.
And these days, most of that is done with e-learning.
Learning. Okay, perfect. And how does that work? Are there any gaps, or does it meet its required need?
I think it does work,
Okay.
but it works only to the extent to where people have achieved their formal qualification.
I see.
Because what I find quite often is that managers and care leaders, they just do the same e-learning as most of their care team do.
I see.
And in reality, they need a greater level of knowledge than
I see.
they. But I also find that many people want to progress,
Yeah.
and then they're looking for things like ILM Level 7,
Got
which is sort of relevant to the care sector, but it's a bit more broad, isn't it?
Yeah, not exactly. I mean, obviously, for those of you who don't know, but Tim goes out on the road throughout the week as a trainer and social care consultant. So obviously, you're seeing lots of different services,
Yeah.
home care and residential care. So how well is that approach working in the marketplace, essentially?
I think it doesn't always work that well.
Okay.
And I think people get to the stage where they just do their job, they follow systems and processes.
Okay.
But I think sometimes there's a bit of lack of underpinning knowledge.
I see.
And I find that quite often I have to explain that knowledge to people. And sometimes I think, well, really, you ought to know this? And that happens on a weekly basis.
Which is good for you on some levels.
I guess it is if I just wanted to make money for me.
Yeah.
But ultimately, I want the care sector to be good at being the care sector.
Got you.
But sometimes those gaps in knowledge means that people's needs are not met, and there are compliance gaps.
Right. Okay.
And then when the regulator comes along, maybe they're uncovered, and then it all just downward spiral.
Okay. So there is a bit of a problem there.
I think there's an issue.
Yeah, an issue.
I'm not entirely sure I'd call it a problem.
Okay.
I think there's an issue
Okay.
that needs a solution.
Okay.
And it needs a bit of creative thinking to find that solution.
Okay.
But there's most definitely an issue.
I see.